beautiful wife that pretty much lets me do whatever I want with cars, never complains, actually always encourages me. Wanted to black out the wheels. I have a little Jeep Compass, and you know, I looked into it, and it took me a couple $100, and it was not reversible. So instead of that, I decided to give this company a shot. Found them on eBay, and what it is modern day hubcaps. So all she wanted to do was black out the truck. So went ahead and ordered these. Are $100 for this particular year of truck. And yeah. So let's go ahead and get these mounted. Step one, of course, is clean the wheels. We use this Clorox all-purpose cleaner to go ahead and clean it up. Step two is basically grab the hubcap, line it up with the nozzle there, put it over, and I believe you just snap it in. There you go. Black out wheels. See the rest of them. Alright, and there you have it. Quick little $99 makeover. They look really good. So, great idea.